26 hours a day I blow up my engine. Flat.
I'm gonna follow you this time.
15 seconds.
I'm gonna follow you. Holy crap! Oh, hits the stub, ease off! Ease around! That was awesome, mate. This dude's crazy. Whoa! I'll go behind. You're crazy, man.
I went into the crack.
Yeah. Do you want to go to the other kids one and then go down the playground? Steady on. You're right. That was the wildest racetrack entry I've ever seen.
There's a lake entry.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you need to give me new handlebars, remember?
Yeah, they're bent. If anybody has CRF50 handlebars, we need them.
And we need new donuts.
26 hours and it's bent, missing a donut, scratched. This was like new at the start of the year and we barely rode because of COVID.
Then, and most of it wasn't on this, and look how scratched it is. And it was mostly on my other ones.
Yeah, on the last one you broke. Take it easy, okay?
So this isn't from the last one.
No.
But from the other set of these.
Slow down a bit. I don't want you to go hurt yourself at the end of the day.
Slow down.
Yeah, that's a good speed. You won't have an accident.
This is too slow.
Okay, a little bit faster than that. A little bit faster than that. Okay, let's go. Holy dooly! I think we might have blown the engine.
Yep. I have to roll it.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Can I have a look?
What's that feel?
It's not out of fuel. There's also oil underneath it.
Did I blow it?
I don't know.
That's smoking. That doesn't sound wrong. Oh, why? Hey.
No.
What's that
Well, it's burning a lot of oil.
Does it have oil?
Well, I don't have anything to check it. We'll have to go down to the car. It should have heaps of oil in it. I checked it. We only just changed it. Maybe like 3 hours ago.
I could roll it down.
No, you can ride it.
But what if it...
If it's done, it's done. We'll just get another big bore kit with the race head.